Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For dinner today I'm cooking chicken for dinner. So I'm gonna make this as a like a stew or something. A little bit of sauce, paprika. I put salt, paprika, black pepper. I'm just gonna season the chicken before I fry in the pan. Black pepper, turmeric. Like I said guys, this is just a guideline regarding spices. You can choose any spices you like. I'm using cayenne seasoning. Just use whatever you have. The goal is to cook affordable meals, budget meals. That's cayenne seasoning, a teaspoon of each spice. So I've put salt, black pepper, paprika, turmeric, and cayenne seasoning. I can add a little bit of oil just to help with the marinating. Just a little bit of oil to bring this together and marinate. Just mixing this through so that the spices can stick to the chicken. Just marinate. There you go guys, I'm gonna marinate for about 10 minutes and then I will start the cooking process. So this is just a quick dinner after work. If you have got time, you can marinate for a longer time, but for me, this is after work dinner. It's a weeknight dinner after work. Alright, guys. Now the cooking process. I'm adding just a little bit of oil, not too much, and in a large pan that is heated. Alright, so now I'm going to add my chicken. I'm going to cook the chicken, guys, for about 5 to 8 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna cut my onions, one onion, and garlic paste. Alright, let's see if I can flip side, cook the other side. Alright guys, I'm just gonna set this aside and then cook my sauce. One onion, just cook the onion for 1 or 2 minutes. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. That is garlic paste. So I'm gonna cook my garlic paste and onion for 1 to 2 minutes and make sure it's nice and cooked. If you have got ginger powder, you can add a little bit of ginger powder, a little bit of cumin, not too much, just a little bit of cumin, a teaspoon or so. If you don't have this, you can just add whatever flavors you've got. That's cumin, a little bit of coriander powder. I'm just going to cook my spices until they are fragrant. Two tablespoons of tomato paste. So I'm going to cook the tomato paste in this mixture. So that's 2 tablespoons, guys, of tomato paste. For me, I prefer to cook my tomato paste for a good time, like 2 minutes to 3 minutes, because it removes the funny taste that the tomato paste has got. So if you cook it for 2 minutes or more, it removes that funny taste. Add chicken stock, 1 cup of chicken stock. Junior, I'm going to bring back my chicken. Bring back my chicken. Let's just make sure I'm mixing through. I'm going to add a little bit of water. About a cup of water. Now I'm going to simmer for about 20 minutes on low heat. So guys, I've been simmering my chicken for about 20 minutes. Now I'm just going to add 2 potatoes that are diced. So just add 2 potatoes. I'm just going to cook my potatoes until they're soft, and then dinner is ready. All right, cook the potatoes until they're soft, and then serving my chicken stew with rice. Guys, now I'm just gonna garnish my chicken with garlic chives. You can use parsley or whatever you've got, but I'm using garlic chives.